Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to do a unboxing of the Monster multicolored cup holder lights. These can be used in your car or anywhere where it's a cup holder you want to illuminate. So according to the box, Illuminate, and it has a custom interior between 7 colors, and it also fades. It lasts 15 days on one charge, and it fits most cup holders. It has auto smart sensors for motion and light sensitivity, which is cool. So if you have any monster reactive LED lights in a movie room or somewhere else, or it will interact pretty much with that. So here's the front of the box. Pretty much the Monster logo on the side. Here's the back. As you can see, they give you an example how it would look. Bring vibrant color to your driving experience. Smart sensor and activate LEDs with motion. LEDs automatically turn on in the dark and off in the daytime. So it has some type of light function. It's 2-hour charge, provides 15 days of light power. So you have 2 multicolor LED right here. It includes 2 cup holders, 1 micro USB cable, and the user manual. So let's go ahead and get this open. Cut this open. Okay. And thank you guys for stopping to the channel. Channel is growing. Appreciate you guys stopping by. So if you like, hit that subscribe button, and more good videos gonna come to you. So here's the instruction manual. Pretty much tell you how to use it, but tell you right here again what's included. The disc right here, all the colors. Get a little closer for you. Red, blue, green, teal, purple, yellow, white, and white that fades in and out. Your FCC statement and a warning. So, and your customer service number. So it has a 1-year warranty. I guess if they go out, then you can give them a call. Okay, let's continue to open this up. So as we pull this out, it's pretty simple. Again, instruction manual, micro USB, and have 2 lights here, 1 and 2. So it comes with the protective foam here, well, film right here. And it looks like there's an on and off and the mode. Right here gives you the model number. And it gives you the LED multicolor cup holder light. So it'll just tell you a little bit about it and the model number right here. So let's go ahead and turn it on for the first time and see how everything works. Hit the on button. So we have blue. And right away you can see that it's kind of pulsating a little bit. Let's go ahead and hit the other one. Hold the on button. Okay. So again, that one looked like it's blue as well. So this one went off and this one just came on as well. So they said they're motion activated as well as light sensitivity. So let's go ahead and give it a try. Hit it. Wonder if it's charged up. Well, here's the micro USB spot that it goes right here. Pretty small. And we did turn it on. So let's hit a mode and see. Maybe that's why it's not on. Okay, turn it back on. Hold it a little bit. Okay. Okay, so after you turn it on, you hit the mode button. You hit the mode button again, it turns it to another color. As you can see, it keeps changing. Keep it green, light blue, lavender, purple, whatever you want to call it. Lime green, back to lavender and purple. So now it's actually rotating colors, depending on the mode that you want. Okay, so that's the first one. Let's make sure this one works. Oh, okay. Well, you see that one, when I touched it, it lit up. So I guess if you're putting your drink down in a cup holder, it automatically light up. So, but I actually bought these, one for my car, and I also bought it for my recliners, because I actually have the blue LED lights on my movie chairs. So two of the cup holders do not light up. Only the two on the outer sides light up. So I wanted to get these to kind of match the aesthetics for it. So let's go ahead and, as you can see, you hit the mode button for this one. One more time. Okay. So it pretty much works the same. It's going to change colors like the other one did. So they both seem to be working. So what we're going to do, as I just stated, we're going to pause and see what these look like in the car cup holder for you guys. Okay guys, so we're inside my car, and as you can see, they're in the cup holder here. So you can see that it's actually in the vehicle and actually fits pretty well. You see nothing's in there, so you just, if you were to put a drink in there, like so, have a bottle of water. See that color? That makes it pop a little bit better. That's on the right side, and as you can see on the left, that it is lit up. And you can also change these colors depending on the color of the lights in your car. So, like if I turn on my dome light, it's a little bright white LED and dome light. But when you're driving, this looks a little bit better, you know, depending on how you set up your radio and everything like that. So this is pretty cool. So this is how they look in the cup holder. So like I said, I bought one pack for the car, and I bought one for the movie room. So let's go check that out next. Okay guys, so as you see, like I was saying, we go to the movie room. You see that the lounge movie chairs have the blue LED, but these right here do not have the LED lights like this one do. So this was a solution that I found online. Someone suggested. Get it from Amazon, and then you can put these in here, and it works without you having to pay a lot of money to buy new replacement cup holders. So as you see, now you can tap them just like how I do these. These came pre-wired, but these do not. I actually wish I would have knew this in the beginning. I probably would have did it for both, but and maybe put LED strips at the bottom right there, as you can see. But let's see how it looks in the dark. As you guys can see, it's a perfect match. And you can also change it, so if you do have color changing movie theater chairs, then you can actually switch it out like so. So there you have it. Monster cup holders 2-pack LED multi-mood changing lights. So we're gonna go ahead and end this video. I want to thank you guys for watching, subscribing to the channel, and if you want to check out where to buy these, I'll put some links in the description below so you can do some more research on it from Amazon. Thank you.